Hello again, folks, and welcome to this brief introduction to the new Microgel digital control platform. As you will see, this system is very intuitive and displays infinitely more information about all aspects of Microgel operation. We filmed this live presentation on an operational unit in our service bay. Some of the screens may be a bit difficult to read, so I will do my best to describe each segment for you from the initial venting and loading process to shutdown. The unit is simple to operate due to the touchscreen. Simply touch the faucet icon to initiate the filling cycle. Once the process is started, you will see that both zones indicate the loading process has begun. During this stage, the unit is filling the process circuit with clean water from the EcoDry system. Initially, the evaporator pump runs. Then, after a preset amount of time, the process pumps begin to run also. Other than filling the process loop with water, the purpose is to also completely remove entrapped air from the process loop and vent it to the open EcoDry reservoir. This process comes factory set for 2 minutes, but is adjustable in the field. For example, small molds require less venting time because of the lower volume of water. You will also notice that the homepage clearly indicates the set points and actual supply temperatures for both zones. When both zones indicate they are in the ready mode, simply touch the start icon on the touchscreen. In this case, the set points are lower than the actual temperatures, so both zones are in cooling mode. Also, notice that there are now clear readouts of the process pump operating pressures and flow rates for both zones. To set the temperatures, it's as simple as touching the gearbox icon for each zone and adjusting the set point as required. Touching the unit icon leads you to all Microgel operating parameters. On the left, you will see the refrigeration and chilled water circuits. On the right are the parameters for each heated temperature control zone. In addition to the internal chiller loop, the zone control sections display set point and actual temperatures, pressure drops across process, flow rates, delivery pressures, and return pressures. Also, the three-way valve and heater percentages are indicated. In this case, the compressor is running, indicated by the green icon. To access the graphical outputs for each zone, touch the arrow icon. In the bottom graph, the temperature and flow rates are displayed over a 60-minute time frame. This can be reset to 0 at any time. In the upper left section, the actual pump curve is shown, indicating flow, pressure drop, and power consumption, also over time. In the right section, pump and heater kW are displayed. In the same manner as the temperature control zones, touch the green arrow in the chilled water section and all parameters of the refrigeration system are displayed. In the bottom graph, supply temperature, set point, and inlet EcoDry temperature to the condenser are displayed. Up top, the compressor operation is displayed, as well as coefficient of performance, cooling capacity, and kW. On the next screen, all refrigeration parameters are indicated graphically. All refrigerant temperatures and pressures are displayed. This is particularly useful for service technicians. Pressing and holding anywhere on the screen and the parameters are given to correspond to the unit operating schematic. including saturation, subcooling, and superheat factors. In this instance, one zone is in cooling mode, the other in heating mode. The set points are 105 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Switching to the unit parameters screen, the inlet temperature from the EcoDry system is 85. Notice that the compressor icon is gray or off mode. Also, the free cooling valve is blue, indicating the unit is now in free cooling mode. In the refrigeration screen, you can see that the compressor is now off. Touching the alarm icon on the home page, you can see a dated alarm log. By pressing and holding an alarm notice, a complete explanation will be displayed in addition to troubleshooting recommendations, all in full language with no codes. Here we have an active alarm which can be silenced by the escape button. The alarm remains active until corrected. Shutdown is as simple as startup. Simply touch the on-off icon and stop the unit. Each zone will indicate turning off. If the unit is equipped with an optional mold drain kit and the valves are properly adjusted, that icon will activate. Finally, each zone will shut down and indicate off. We trust that this brief presentation clearly indicates all the advanced yet easy-to-use features of the new Microgel digital control platform. No other control system can be compared to this one, and we hope you'll agree.